Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to report a TikTok account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok app, search for the account that you want block or report. Tap on any one account, then go to their profile. There you can see the option of an arrow pointing outwards at the top right corner. If you tap over there you can see the option of report at the left corner at the bottom. Tap on report and there you can see the option of report account, report content. So tap on report account. There you can see the option of posting inappropriate content, pretending to be someone else, inappropriate profile info, user under 14, fraud, scam, and you can tap on other and they'll ask. Our priority is to provide a safety and supportive environment. We also encourage authentic interaction by keeping respective content and accounts of our platform. Select this if your reason or reporting does not fall under any of the list category. Then tap on submit. Then your report will be sent. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.